Hey there guys, today getting another lock for you. It's a Master Lock number 77. There it is, locked up. There's the back of the lock. Go ahead and pick it open. It's a fairly old lock. It's produced in the 1930s all the way up to 93, I believe. After I get done picking it open, I'll be able to tell you how you can tell the difference. There it is, picked open. Yeah. So what you have here is a Master Lock 77D-D. On the front of the lock you have a lion's head. If you have a lock, Master 77D, that has the complete lion's body, it was probably produced in 1932 through 1944. After 1944, they kept producing this lock from 1944 until 1993 or 94, I can't remember exactly. They just put the lion's head on the front of the lock. So that's one way to narrow down. I know it's a broad range, but that's one way to narrow down when your lock was produced. So if it's got the lion body, 1932 to 1944. If it's just got the lion's head, then from 44 to 92 or 93, 94. On the back it says Master Lock, Milwuakee, USA. It's got the key. It says made in the USA. It also has the key code of X-ray 5175 on the back of the lock. The key on the bow of the key, it also has the same code. It's X-ray 5175. Here's a look at the key bitting. Hope that focuses in. So there's a look at the key bitting. On the other side of the bow of the key, it says Master. Another thing that I've seen online, some keys on their bow, they will also have a lion, a complete lion. So that may have something to do with the date. On the other side of the bow of the key, it says, let me get a close up here, Master Lock CO. It says Master Lock CO right here, and Milwuakee, USA right here on this side. So it's kind of different, different than being made in China. Here's a look at the packaging that the lock came in. I'll put all this stuff in the description box down below. All this, or I'll have it put in the description box down below. So one thing about the package that I noticed after I got the lock out without doing any damage is right here. You see the number 77-54, and when I was on the phone with Master Lock, I was talking to the lady about different things, and that's one of the things the only thing that I've noticed 54 on. And just a safe assumption to assume that maybe this lock was produced in 1954. Here's the bottom of the lock. It says 77D Master Lock, or Master, what does that say? Master Padlock right there. So this is what the box looks like. And there you go. It's really hard to find any information online about this guy right here, but if you guys have anything, let me know. You can leave it in the comment section. But there it is, Master Lock 77D, knocked out. As always, have a good one.